Okay, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to use functions on an Excel document. We're going to use the example of using Excel as an organizational tool to find, to keep your test scores, and we're going to find the average of each test first all together, and then each student's average personally on each test score. So the first thing we're going to do is enter the data like I already have done here, and then we're going to go ahead and find the average. So if we want to find the average for test number 1, we're going to go ahead and click on the cell that we want the information to be put. We're going to go ahead and choose the option up here that says formulas, and then we're going to click insert function. Now I want to find the average, so I'm going to push OK here. I want to make sure it has the information listed here like I want it. So I want cells B3 through B9. That's already what it said here. So we're going to go ahead and push OK. And then it's giving me the average for that score. Now, I want to apply this function to these cells using this data. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this little corner of the cell right here. Make sure it has that little mark and not something like this. We want it to be just like that. We're going to go ahead and drag it all the way across. Now what this does is it finds the average of, or applies the function using different data. So if we can click here, we can see that the function being used is the average of C3 through C9, which is what we want done. And this one here is finding the average of D3 through D9, which is exactly what we want as well. Now if we want to find the student's personal average, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. So now that since we've recently used the function, it'll be listed here under recently used. We're going to go ahead and click average. And again, it's kind of determining for us. We want the average of B3 through D3. And so we're going to go ahead and push OK. And it's giving us that. Again, we're going to click on this corner here where we get this and drag it all the way down. And we're going to drag it all through the students. And there we go. Now in these numbers here, we have some long decimal points. So we're going to go ahead and choose this here. We're going to right click on that cell. We're going to go to format cell. And then we're going to click the option up here that says number. And make sure we say number, and we're going to make sure it says 2 decimal places here, just to make it a little neat. I'm going to go ahead and push OK. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to choose this here, drag it all the way down, and that'll apply the 2 decimal places to each of the scores without changing their initial number. It'll also average or round to the nearest tens place for you, which is nice. And then there we go. That's the way we can organize and find averages of test scores for the whole class and for per student using an Excel document. Thank you.